So good day everyone. So in here we've made a program. It's called the grade calculator, which is a PIT in our subject, the object oriented programming. So let's start. So first in here, first 16 line of our codes were just import, where we import things that we needed in our codes. Next is we have the public class named OP underscore PIT, which is this one. So by the way, I used actually the window builder of Java Eclipse. So let's continue. In here we've named our variables for the JFrame and JText field. So here, the name of the variables. Here where the code first run. Here this one is where our frame. The name of our frame is FRM grade calculator, or frame grade calculator. And here we set the background color of our frame, which is yellow. Then set the title into grade calculator. Then set the bounds where it will position the x, y with height. Default close operations, JFrame exit and close when tap this one. Layout to null, location relative to, so this is where when we run the program it will be open in the center. Then set resizable to false, so it won't be resizable. So and here we have the label, the name of the label. So inside the label is the subject name. So in here we set the font, the comma, bold, size 12. So set bounds where it would be put in our JFrame. Then frame grade calculator that get content pane that add label subject name. So we need this one so that it would be present in our here. It would be present in our pane. This is the get content pane, or the container of the frame. Then it's just the same with this one. Just the labels, name of the labels are just changed in the name inside the label. So that's what's the difference of them. So in here we have the text field. So name of our text field here. First text field is subname TF for text field. So here we set the border into a soft bevel border. So here, then the color of yellow, and bounds just this one where it would be put. Then get content pane that add, so that would be present in our JFrame. So here text field again, label text field. So it's just the same but different text inside. So here where we encounter our first button. So this is our button. So here we've got the btn clear, or button clear, text is clear. So set the border to soft bevel border, then background of yellow. You have the action listener in here. So public void action performed, action event E. Then if you tap the button, it will set the text field, this text field, this one, into empty. Yeah, so there, set to empty. Then here just the same, bounds and content pane where it will be present. Then you have the button enter. Here we set again the border, the background, have the action listener, add action listener. So I have in here I have set a condition where if anything, if any of this text field is have an empty field here, this one, if one is empty, then it will show a message that the field message dialog that the field is empty. Then it will set the text fields into empty again. Even the output, I set it in here. So here are the process of our how we get to our output. So here we have the strings, variable name, subname, which is equal to subname tf, which is the this one text field. You get it. Oh, get that one. So here, get text, so the text inside the subname tf will be stored in this variable, and subname 2tf, which is our output, will be, this is the subname tf, subname 2tf, where the variable the output the input text in subname will be put into the output subname. So here we have declared double variables. Here we get the value of our percentage, getting the value of our percentage. So string quiz underscore percent quiz1 tf. Quiz1 tf is in here. This one percentage. Just that. Oh, there's that one. Then here. Set it first to string, then converted into integer, then converted again into double, so that we can easily calculate things. So just the same in here. They're the same. And here we get the total points of the quiz, exercise, and final exam. So here we have the calculations. This is where it gets tricky a bit. So string a1 equals to quiz3tf that get text. So this one will get the text there. Here, get text, exercise, and final exam. Then so the same method, but in here is just integer. I didn't double it, so it's a bit hassle. So here double. So in here we have our calculations, which is the quiz 1, this one, the grade of the student, then the total points, then the percentage of the quiz. It's just the same with this. Then when we get the value of this one, we just add it. Then it will become the grade of our student, So yeah, so in here since it's a double, set it into integer, then set it string, then set text to the s1 grade tf. So this one is just the same with this one and this one. So here we have the print writer. We'll name it pw. So have the file handling. So yeah. So we have here try catch, pw equals to print writer, so on and so forth. This one will be our output text. Yeah, I've tried it. So start bounce, get then pane and exit button. In here we got set background, new color, set background, set the border, action listener. Then in here perform the J option, where you want to confirm no, else would set visible, the frame would set be visible, then if yes, it will exit. So let's try on the program. Okay, here, there. So here, set our name, subject name, object oriented programming. Then have a quiz percentage. Let's try 40, 20, 40, so equals to 100%. Then here quizzes the maximum points. Let's say 50, 40, and 100. So student 1 grade is say 40, and the exercises is 30, and final exam is 90. For student 2, let's try 35, again 35, and 95. And student 3, let's say 49, 39, and 99. Here, there, so let's try to run it. There, we got the subject name, the student 1 grade, student 2, student 3 grade. If you want to clear it, it will clear all the text fields there. Then if you want to exit, if no, if you want to exit, yes, and pull close. There you are. So thank you for listening.